Okay guys, I want you to place your first finger on the first fret on the 3rd string, and then I want you to take your second finger and put it on the 2nd fret 5th string, and then
Learning the guitar doesn't have to be difficult, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Learning from your point of view makes it go a lot faster. There's no guesswork, there's no mystery. Seeing chord diagrams or tablature and seeing where to place your fingers, how to strum, the rhythms to do, from this point of view, from the player's point of view, makes it so much easier to learn. You get over 50 video lessons, a 48-page downloadable workbook. You can schedule a talk with me to help guide you through these things. It's a no-brainer. Learning the guitar does not have to be difficult. It does not have to be expensive. And with MyPOVGuitar, it's not.
you got it? You got it?